We're looking out my back window at an indigo bunting. Pretty, pretty bird. Lovely coloring. We've had as many as 6 indigo buntings at one time this month. We're located near Arkadelphia, Arkansas, out in the country, kind of near Hollywood, Arkansas. We also had a painted bunting come about 3 times, once today. I think these indigo buntings are so pretty. They're a small bird. We put some black sunflower seed mix out there, and it seems to enjoy that. Just throw it on the ground. Cardinal came, male cardinal as well. They get along all right. The blue and the red together are just pretty amazing. Nice contrast of color. Get a side view of this beauty. There's a red-bellied woodpecker there too. His head is red, but they call him a red-bellied woodpecker, but anyhow, because it's different from a red-headed woodpecker, but anyway, that's what that is. And he enjoys getting a seed and then breaking them open on the tree. We had 2 red-bellied woodpeckers here earlier today, and several cardinals, male and female. And we got the red, the white, and the blue all getting along well together in our backyard. I'm looking out the window so I don't bother them.